You guys, come on down to Lakeshore. Take a look at the new 278 BHS. This is a bunkhouse fifth wheel, single slide, weighs in at only 8,300 pounds. You can visit and take a look at our website at www.lakeshore-rv.com to see all the weights and specifications or any additional information you'd like. This camper is only selling for $42,975 or approximately $350 a month. Stop down to Lakeshore. Let us show you what we have to offer. This is a new half-ton series Arctic Wolf ultralight fiberglass aluminum frame block foam insulation fifth wheel. You guys want to know what's so exciting about the 278 BHS? It's a perfect family bunkhouse floor plan. Take a look at all this incredible storage. But you know what? Back here, we've got these two double down beds, one for either side, incredible wardrobe storage. Look at all this overhead cabinet space. Look at all this countertop space. And for the family, we've got seating for 6. Come down to Lakeshore RV Center. Visit us on our website if you want to see what else we have to offer at www.lakeshore-rv.com. And remember, this is only selling for $42,975. We can deliver it to your door, we ship worldwide, and we can arrange financing for you as well. This is John from Lakeshore RV Center. Give me a call at 231-740-6225. Thank you and have a great day.